Every DMV test includes these 100 US road signs. Master them all, and passing is 99.9% guaranteed. Let's get started. Let's begin with a simple one. No one fails it. Exactly, that is a stop sign. No right turn. Do not enter. Here's a common one. Do you know what it stands for? Good catch. That's a yield sign. No U-turn. Yield sign ahead. This one's interesting. What does it mean? Well noticed. That's a no parking sign. No left turn. Stop sign ahead. Look carefully. Recognize this one? Perfect. That's a no stopping sign. Parking area. Traffic light ahead. Here's one that might test you. What does it stand for? Nicely done. That's a weight limit sign. Pedestrians crossing. School zone. Does this sign look familiar? Correct. That's a roundabout. Deer crossing. Winding road. Spot this one. What could it be referring to? Well spotted. That's a railroad crossing ahead. Speed limit. No pedestrians crossing. This one's interesting. What does it mean? Excellent. That's a falling rock sign. Divided highway begins. Crossroad. This sign often confuses test takers. Can you tell what it stands for? Good observation. That's a two-way traffic sign. Slippery when wet ahead. Camping. Take a close look. What does this sign warn you about? Nicely recognized. That's a flagger ahead sign. Hospital. Road narrows. You've probably seen this before. What does it mean? Exactly. That's a workers ahead sign. Bicycle route. Steep grade hill. Here's a tricky one. What does this sign indicate? Nice work. That's a railroad crossing, crossbuck. Speed limit ahead. Wrong way. Can you figure out the meaning of this traffic sign? Perfect. That's a divided highway end sign. Reverse curve left. No bicycles. This one is really important. What does it communicate? Well spotted. That's a keep right of obstacles sign. Emergency vehicle. Right turn only. Look carefully. Recognize this one? Good eye. That's a keep left of obstacles sign. Curve left. One way, right. Here's a common one. Do you know what it stands for? Exactly. That's a roundabout circulation, plaque. No parking on pavement. Snowmobile. Let's see if you know this one. Well noticed. That's a no straight through sign. Added right lane. Straight through only. Think you know your signs? Nicely done. That's a do not drive on track sign. Crosswind sign. Narrow bridge. Here's a tricky one. What does this sign indicate? Good catch. That's a narrow underpass sign. Equestrian. Turn left. This one's interesting. What does it mean? Perfect. That's a tow-away zone. No trucks. Lane ends. Merge left. Here's one that might test you. What does it stand for? Well spotted. That's a train station sign. Airport. Reverse turn, right. Look carefully. Recognize this one. Nicely recognized. That's an added left lane sign. Handicapped. School speed, limit ahead. Does this sign look familiar? Exactly. That's a double lane shift, right. Merge left. School bus stop ahead. What does this sign warn you about? Good observation. That's a truck route sign. T intersection. Straight through and left turn. Here's a common one. Do you know what it stands for? Well done. That's a chevron, right. Bicycle slippery when wet ahead. Library. Does this sign look familiar? Perfect. That's a farm vehicles sign. One way left. Truck height limit. Take a close look. What does this sign warn you about? Excellent. That's a curve right sign. Traffic merges from right. Lane ends. Merge right. Here's a tricky one. What does this sign indicate? Well noticed. That's a no snowmobile sign. Left turn only. Bus station. Here's one that might test you. What does it stand for? Good eye. That's a tourist information sign. Hill, bike. Right shoulder drop-off, ahead. You've probably seen this before. What does it mean? Nicely done. That's a bike lane sign. Turn right. No all-terrain vehicles. Can you figure out the meaning of this traffic sign? Perfect. That's a no equestrian sign. No U-turn or left turn. Reverse curve, right. This one's interesting. What does it mean? Well spotted. That's a bump sign. Single lane transition. Side road, left. Here's a common one. Do you know what it stands for? Good catch. That's a Y intersection. Detour ahead. Telephone. Can you figure out the meaning of this traffic sign? Exactly. That's an electric vehicle charging sign. Thanks for watching. If this road signs quiz is helping you get ready for your driving test, don't forget to subscribe for weekly practice and tips. Tap one of the videos on your screen to keep learning. Stay sharp, drive safe, and we'll see you in the next one.